Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Hub. Let's explore Writing Hub together. Are you ready? Here we go! Writing Hub is an app that can boost your writing skills. Write anytime, anywhere with AI assistance. Which device can you use Writing Hub on? You can use Writing Hub on a tablet or a computer. If you're using a tablet, install the Writing Hub app. First, open the Play Store or App Store. Type Writing Hub in the search bar. Tap Install to download the app. Once it's ready, open the app. If you are using a computer, download the Writing Hub app. Open the user's manual provided by your campus and select the provided link. Click the Writing Hub Install button. When it's ready, open the app. Now that we've installed the app, let's log in. Enter your ID and password, then click Login. Welcome to Writing Hub. At the top right, you can find your profile. On the left, you will see 4 main menus. Let's explore each one together. Let's look at the Writing Activity menu. Select Writing Activity and then Language Composition. This is where you'll find your writing tasks for the semester. Come here when you're ready to start writing. Watch the next video to learn how to write on Writing Hub. Now, let's take a look at the Progress menu. Here, you can track your writing progress, view your submission history, and check your drafts and teacher feedback. Let's take a look at the Report menu. It has 2 sections, Overall Report and Report by Activity. Overall Report shows your average scores by trait, as well as your scores for each trait by unit. In the Report by Activity section, you will find your rubric evaluation score, word count summary, correction summary, and teacher's comments. In the Portfolio menu, you can view all of your writings. Select a completed work to see its final draft. You can get a medal if your score is above 80. That was a quick tour of Writing Hub and its main menus. We hope you enjoy writing with Writing Hub. Bye! Hello everyone! Let's learn how to write the first draft on Writing Hub. Are you ready? Let's begin! On the Writing Activity page, choose the writing task you want to work on and select the blue icon next to First Draft to get started. After you choose a writing task, the outline page will appear. You will see boxes to help organize your ideas. Select a box and start writing. Follow the directions in each box to guide your writing. Remember, this is not just an outline, it's your first draft. Try to write 3 to 4 sentences in each section except for the title. Ella, your AI writing helper, can help you write. Select the Ella icon at the top right to get ideas for your writing. You can also ask about grammar and spelling. When you are done writing, select Preview to view your writing as a whole. This page allows you to see what you wrote as one complete writing. If you want to make changes, select Edit to go back to the outline page. If you are happy with your first draft, select Proofreading to use the AI Grammar Correction tool. The AI Grammar Correction tool checks your writing for mistakes. Errors are highlighted in red, and suggested corrections are highlighted in green. Select a correction and a pop-up will appear. You can choose to accept or ignore the suggestion. Oops! Did you accidentally select the wrong button? Don't worry, just select the Undo button to fix it. After you finish accepting or ignoring the suggestions, review your writing one more time. If you are happy with your draft, send it to your teacher by selecting the Submit button. After you submit your first draft, a green check icon will appear next to First Draft in the Writing Activity menu. This means you've successfully submitted your first draft to your teacher. Congratulations! Let's go over the first draft process. First, write out your story or essay on the outline page. Next, preview your writing. Then, proofread using the AI grammar correction tool. Finally, submit your writing. Now we've learned how to write the first draft. Watch the next video to see how to write the second draft. Bye! Hello everyone! Let's learn how to write the second draft on Writing Hub. Are you ready? Let's begin! After your teacher gives feedback on your first draft, you can start your second draft. Look for the blue icon next to Second Draft to know it's ready. Select the blue icon next to Second Draft to get started. On the second draft page, you'll see your first draft with highlighted parts. Before you start revising, review your teacher's feedback. At the top of the page, you'll find Overall Comments. These are general comments about your first draft. Select Overall Comments to read them. Next, look for yellow highlighted sections in your writing. Select one to see your teacher's comment in a pop-up. These comments help you improve certain parts of your writing. Read them carefully to improve your second draft. You'll also see some edits in red and green. These are suggestions from the AI grammar correction tool. Use the suggestions to help your writing. Now that you reviewed your teacher's feedback, you can start your second draft. You can write your second draft on a new page by selecting Fresh Page. If you just want to make changes to your first draft, select Revise First Draft. Remember, don't just submit it as is. Use your teacher's feedback to make changes and improve your writing. When you are done, review your writing for typos. If you are happy with your draft, send it to your teacher by selecting the Submit button. After you submit your second draft, a green check icon will appear next to Second Draft in the Writing Activity menu. This means you've successfully submitted your second draft to your teacher. Congratulations! Now, just wait for the teacher's final feedback and report. Let's go over the second draft process. First, review the overall comments and individual feedback. Next, revise your writing based on the teacher's feedback. Finally, submit your writing to the teacher. Now you're all set to start writing. Writing Hub will upgrade your writing skills to the next level. We hope you enjoy writing with Writing Hub. Bye!